What's up, guys? Feed you information here. We have the 4-minute stock analysis. I'm invested, and the stock is Microsoft. So here we go. For the value investor, we have 44.97. You could average that up to a 45. And a forward P of 21.71. Much better. Average, you want in the 20s, so the forward P looks great. Now, the price-to-book ratio and sales ratio, 9.75 and 7.29. You would want both of those to be under a 5, so clearly they are a little bit high. If you're a value investor, that might push you from investing in this company, but give it a chance. Debt over equity, we have 0.876 or 0.88. Average is under a 5. I know I just said give it a chance, and now that's higher than you'd want for the debt over equity, but it's a pretty pricey company right now. Revenue, percentage growth, market cap. So here's where it gets better. You have revenue of $114.7 billion, 22.8% year-over-year revenue growth. A market cap of $833 billion. It is by market cap the second biggest company in the market. Quarter one earnings, this is quarter one 2019, 19% growth year-over-year revenue to $29.1 billion. So for quarter one 2018, it's grown at 20% in basically those 4 quarters. Personal computing, laptop/services, plus 15%, $10.7 billion. Azure revenue grew 76%, which, I apologize, I misspelled there, is actually lower than 90%, but still growing quickly, because in the last quarter they had 90% growth. So it is stunting, but at 90% growth, I wasn't expecting it to go higher. I was expecting it to shrink down. Intelligent Cloud grew 24% quarter over quarter to $8.6 billion. And I don't know why, but they don't include numbers after that, so I just have the percentage growth. You have LinkedIn revenue up 33% quarter over quarter. Then you have the Microsoft Office and Cloud Services revenue that grew 16% quarter over quarter. Gaming revenue grew 45% quarter over quarter. For further information now, they have the Xbox and its future. By that, I'm basically saying, obviously, the Xbox and PlayStation aren't going to be console forever, and when they need to evolve and move on, I think both Microsoft and Sony will do so. But I think Microsoft, with the extra revenue and just the more it has at its exposure, I think Xbox will beat out PlayStation eventually. My personal opinion, but I think that they'll continue to get strong revenue whether they can beat out PlayStation or not. Anyway, we have Minecraft. That's a revenue factor that might have led to the gaming revenue up, because Minecraft continues to be a popular thing with younger kids or just YouTubers. Certain YouTubers get a lot of revenue from that, and people like playing the game. I used to live with someone who would play that game once, twice, 3 times per week. So, I mean, it's another revenue factor. Partnership with Walmart for automated cashiers. So this was when I made a video on Walmart for the 4-minute analysis. I was saying how Walmart was going to get rid of some of the employees, therefore getting more revenue into earnings or profit. And I think that obviously putting in the automated cashiers will, so they automatically scan. In case you're confused, you're going to walk through them and they'll automatically scan rather than having someone scan them manually for you. So anyways, I think Microsoft will get another revenue source from that, obviously, and that will just help them further grow their partnership with Walmart, because I'm sure they'll continue, both of them, to partner with other things, and Walmart is a strong ally considering they're the biggest retail company on the planet. Like, that's crazy. Partnership with Amazon, Alexa, and Azure, learning from each other. So by this, I'm saying that basically they have a partnership with Amazon, obviously, and Alexa and Azure are talking to each other and continuing to evolve their AI structures, so their artificial intelligence structures, and become more complex. What that follows to is beyond my comprehension, but we'll see as more news comes out. Then the Azure is expected to hit $100 billion in revenue by 2022. So I believe it came out 2017 early. So basically $20 billion on average per year it's supposed to start getting. So we can continue to watch and see if that becomes true or not. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, throw me a like. And this was the Microsoft 4-minute analysis. Feed you information.